Guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to add some custom stuff in your military minifigure. So you need is the rubber band and like for this anyway, I bought it from Big Arm. I got a ton of brick arms here. I had the sniper guy, which I made it custom in the Kogo, the assault, like that. Remove it and turn like this, and that's it. Like and subscribe, and don't forget, like this, you can like holding your weapon in a special way. I just know this. Like and subscribe. Bye.